Hi guys, so yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share these videos for more. So what you are doing today is what, how to earn money on what, VidlQ. So this VidlQ pays you money, does what, sharing your referral link to earn more money. So per plan the subscribe is per money you earn on this what site here. So what, so let's go to this site here, and you can also use it to grow your what YouTube channel on this site. You can also use it to grow your YouTube channel. Can you see it? So what you just need to do is what, go to look for what, affiliate. So this is it here. So you click it. So when you click it, is what, 7 reasons to become an affiliate. So if you love VidlQ and you want to make some extra cash by listing other knowing about us, so that's all about it. So affiliate level is what, 10 sales is 15%, 11 to 20 sales is 20%, 51 to 100 sales is what, 25% you are going to earn on it. So one, making passive income from software you use to grow your YouTube channel. So to your own VidlQ customer EUR, you need to create your own EUR, something like this. So if you want to what, if you press what, sign up as an affiliate, sign up to become an affiliate, you go to bring something like this, VidlQ.com. So you have to what, use any name. You can use something like Ennis or grow your YouTube. You can use something like that. So you can use something like that to create it and what, get a VidlQ booster for free. And you also get a VidlQ booster for free. So you can use that free booster they give. You can also use it to boost your YouTube channel, and what, it grows, you get more click on it. So you just press what, sign up. So I've already signed up, so I've already have an account already. So it will just what, log me in to it. So it will log me in. So this is my account here. So I'll make my own video, so no any money there. So you just need to what, copy this link here. So you copy it. When you copy this link, you go to your Facebook account, you share it. You share it, go to your Facebook account. So you go to Facebook. So you go to Facebook account, you look. So what you just do here, can you check this thing here? Register is free, 200 naira welcome bonus, 100% withdraw available. So that what you just write, what they write here, you just what, post it. You just post it, what, go YouTube channel for free. Click the link below. So you what, press here, you paste the link here, you post it. So when you post it, you just what, come to your search here, you search for YouTube, what, YouTube subscribers. So you come here, you also post it here again, grow your YouTube channel for free and earn more money online. So you press what, you go down, you paste the link here, you post it. So as you post it there, now you need to search for many YouTube sites. So you just need to what, post it there. Can you see that I've even post? See the one I just post now, can you see too? When someone click on it, you are going to earn money. Or when someone sign up on it and what, create a plan, buy plan on the site, you're going to earn commission on it. So, and you can withdraw into your PayPal and everything. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And there's another site you can also share it on. That's what, come here. So come here, that's what, search for. So you search for what, like for like. So this like for like help you share your social media link, anything, whatever you want to do. So it will help you share it more faster to even get more link. So that's all about it. So let's wait for it to load. So this is the like for like here. You need to register your account, and for those of you that already have an account, I'm sorry, my network is really bad here. So you need to off it and on it. So press reload. So this is it here. So you want to log in your account, because as you can see I have a lot of accounts of this thing here. So you need to log in your account here. Can you see how? So it help you what to get free like, free click, and what, free sign up. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching.